Are you trying to clear your Safari cache but don't know how? In this video, I will walk you through the steps of clearing your web browser cache for a fast and smooth browsing experience. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you find Safari. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap Advanced. And then, at the very top, tap Website Data. And now you'll be able to see a list of all the saved caches from a bunch of different websites. If you want to delete the cache for a specific website, simply swipe left on the website and then tap the Delete button over here. If you want to delete all of your cache at once, simply tap where it says Remove All Website Data and then tap Remove Now. Once you've done that, go back, and if you want to delete history and website data, tap over here, then tap Clear History and Data, and then tap Close Tabs. Now you've successfully deleted all of the cache and history on the Safari web browser on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.